Guys, I, Aro Sadia, welcomes you to my YouTube channel AS Classes. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's lecture, we are going to start our second chapter of class 6 Hamara Rajasthan. The name of the chapter is History of Rajasthan. Before studying this history of Rajasthan, first of all, we have to know about these three terms named as Jana, Janpadas and Mahajanpadas. What are Jana? Janas are the small clan of the tribal people which we came to know from Rigveda. During the early Vedic period, small tribal people accumulate and live at a certain place. Okay, this is known as Jana. There are many Janas, out of which I am giving you example of two, that is Kuru Jana and Bharat Jana. What these Jana people do? The tribal people live together. So in order to establish their powers, the two groups like Kuru Jana and Bharat Jana fight with each other so that whoever wins, they establish their small kingdom. And that small kingdom is known as Janpadas. Okay, and this Janpadas, what is the literal meaning of Janpada? When we talk about Janpada, they means tribal clan. Jana means, as we have heard, a group of small tribal clan. So Jana means tribal clan and Padas means foot. Okay, so collectively Janpadas means where Jana resides in their foot. Okay. Now, by 6th century BCE, we know that there were 22 different Janpadas. Jana give rise to Janpadas, and now Janpadas are going to give rise to Mahajanpadas. In India, there were about 16 Mahajanpadas. When we talk about Mahajanpada, now it is clear that how Jana is formed, how Janpadas are formed. Now the third one is Mahajanpada. Now, due to socio-economic development, chiefly due to the use of iron in military and agricultural tools, okay, the people start fighting with each other and they start establishing larger kingdoms known as Mahajanpadas. Mahajanpada is also regarded as the second urbanization. Okay, it is an urban civilization. The first urban civilization is Harappan civilization. Now we are going to discuss about the Janpadas in detail. The first one is Maru. Maru, all the mythological books like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Brihad Samhita, Charak Samhita mention that there is an existence of place named as Maru. The area where Maru lies is modern Bikaner, Nagaur, Churu, Barmer, Ganganagar and Jaisalmer. After this, the second one is Jangal. Area of Jangal is modern Bikaner, Nagaur and Jodhpur. Its capital is Ahit Kshatriyapur. After this, Matsya is important one. Area of Matsya, when we talk about where Matsya lies, it is Alwar and Jaipur. Capital is Viratnagar, Berat. When we talk about this capital Viratnagar, it is believed that during the Mahabharata period, Jaipur was ruled by a king named Virat. And he established Viratnagar, which was named after his name, and he is the one who made Viratnagar the capital of Matsya. It is also believed that Pandavas spent the last year of their exile at this place, and this king Virat has married his daughter Uttara to the son of Arjun, that is Abhimanyu. Shursen. Shursen, when we talk about Shursen, first we will discuss about its area. Now that is Alwar, Bharatpur, Dholpur and Karoli. When we talk about its capital, it's Mathura, and it is mentioned in Bayana Prashasti that Shursen Janpada exists. What are Prashastis? Prashastis are written in the praise of any kingdom, king or the people that reside during that period of time. Okay. Now this is Shivi. Fourth one is Shivi. When we talk about its area, it's modern Udaipur. Capital is Majhimika or Madhyamika. It remains found at a village named Nagari near Chittorgarh. This train is also called as Medpat, Mewar and Pragvat. Okay, this question has been asked that which region or train is called as Medpat. So it is also important. Now fifth one is Arjun Nayan. Area Bharatpur and Alwar region. That's all for it. Now Marwar. We heard about two terms, Mewar and Marwar. Marwar is Jodhpur region and Mewar is Chittorgarh region. Marwar, Gujar Pratihars ruled this place in 7th century at Mandor, Jodhpur region. Seventh is Malav. The center of power of Malavs. Malavs was a town near Jaipur, modern Tog district. एक town था and now it is in modern Tog district. Its area Ajmer, Tog, Mewar region. Now the Yupa inscription of conquest of the Malavs is situated at Nandasa, Bhilwara. This question is also important. Where is Yupa inscription present? Now 8th is Mewar. Marwar we have studied. Now it's Mewar. It's area ancient region of Shivi Janpad and modern Udaipur. Chittorgarh, Rasaman, Bhilwara district. It has been ruled by which dynasty? Guhils and Sisodia clan. Capital, Mewar's capital kept on changing. So there are many capitals which are Nagda, Ahar, Kalyanpur, Chittorgarh, Chhavan and Udaipur. Dialect. What is dialect? Dialect is Boli. The Boli that is prevalent in Mewar is Mewari. Now Dhundar. Area Jaipur and its adjoining region is known as Dhundar. Its dialect, again dialect is Boli, it's Dhundari. One is Yodhya. Yodhya area, northern part of Rajasthan. It is believed that Yodhya Janpad has destructed the Kushana power in northern Rajasthan. The destruction of this Yodhya Janpad is being mentioned in Brihad Samhita. What is Brihad Samhita? Brihad Samhita is an encyclopedic text written in Sanskrit. Okay. Now, a question can also be asked that in which the destruction of Yodhya Janpad has been described. So, it is Brihad Samhita. Now, 11th is Wagad. The two regions are collectively called as Wagad. That is first Dungarpur Baswara and second is Nahar, Nohar, Bhadra, Kanana near Pilani. Dialect, as I told you, the language which we speak, it is Wagadi. 12th one is Hadoti. Area, modern Bundi and Kota. The Hadoti region is ruled by a Meena tribe and it is also believed that Bundi is named after Bunda of Meena tribe. Similarly, dialect is Hadoti. As the name suggests Hadoti, its dialect is also Hadoti. Mewat. Area of Alwar and Bharatpur is called as Mewat due to the abundance of Mev caste. A question can be asked, the abundance of Mev caste is? The answer is Mewat. Famous hero of Mewati, Hasan Khan Mewati. Why he is famous? Because he fought against Babur in the battle of Khanwa and he has been killed. He fought from the side of Rana Sanga. Battle of Khanwa was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga. Now, 14th is Mud or Wal. Area of Jaisalmer. Simple 1 marks question can be asked. What is Mal? Area of Mal. So, it is Jaisalmer. Kanthal, Pratapgarh is known as Kanthal. Malwa, Jhalawad. Hadoti, we have discussed, that is Bundi and Kota. And Malwa is Jhalawad. Now, Shekhawati, Churu, Jhunjhunu, Sikar. These three collectively come under Shekhawati region. Now, Merwada. Byawar and Ajmer region is known as Merwada region. Now, we are done with this chapter. We have discussed about what is Jana, from how Janpadas are formed from Jana and how Mahajanpadas are formed from Janpadas. Okay. And after that we have also discussed about several Janpadas. Now we will discuss about the question and answers. Now we are starting with our exercise. For question number 1, write the correct answers of the following question. What was the capital of Matsya Janpad? I told you that is Virat Nagar. But Mathura was the capital of Shursen and Ahit Kshatriyapur was the capital of Jangal. Now question number 2, Kota Bundi region is called Hadoti region. Maru region mein which Janpad lies over, which region lies in Maru? That is Badmer, Jaisalmer, Bikaner. In Jangal, Jodhpur, Nagaur, Bikaner. In Mewat, Alwar and Bharatpur region. And Mewat is famous for Mev caste. Now fill in the blanks. Byawar, Ajmer region is known by the name of Merwada. The language of Jaipur and region nearby is called as Dhundari. Short answer type questions now. Question number 1, name any 2 Janpads of Mahabharat time period. This you can give so many, but I have given you Matsya Janpad and Jangal. After that, which district are part of Shekhawati area? Shekhawati area is Churu, Jhunjhunu, Sikar, and Hadoti is Kota and Bundi. Who was Hasan Khan Mewati? This we have discussed earlier also. He was the famous ruler of Mewatis. Mewati area lies in Alwar and Bharatpur. Who fought against Babur in the Battle of Khanwa in favor of Rana Sanga and was killed. 4th is short answer type questions. Question number 1. Why did the Republican Janpada system of Rajasthan demolish after 5th century? Answer is, after 5th century, Huns attacked the Republican system of Rajasthan. What happened? Hun attacked Rajasthan. The Hun invasion destroyed the order of Republican Janpada of Rajasthan. The destruction of this place is mentioned in the text Brihat Samhita, as we have studied that in Yodhya. Now the next question is, name any 3 Janpads or regions. So first is Mewat, area is Alwar and Bharatpur. Second is Jangal, modern Bikaner, Nagaur, Jodhpur, Hadoti, Bundi and Kota. I guess all of you have understood what I have taught today. Today's lecture is done for now. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. If you guys really liked my video, then please do like, share and subscribe.